Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can integrate ClickUp with Slack in 2025. So it will be a complete quick tutorial for you guys, so watch the video till the end. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So here actually you can see we're already landed in a platform. It's called ClickUp. So here if I click over that place in this top, the name we have here, you just need to select this one, and then you will get a couple of options. As you can see, the setting, upgrade, manage user. So here you just need to click over this app center. Just click over here, and in the app center you will find out all these apps. So we're going to integrate Slack with our ClickUp. So here we are going to click on this Slack, and then here you will get the options for connect. Just click to connect, and then you just need to create your connect account, Slack account over that place. So if you haven't Slack, so let's click at a new workspace here. So I'll provide my address, mailbox address. Let's copy our mailbox address, click to the Gmail, and then copy this one, and let's try to connect an account onto the Slack. Just click this one and then provide, then click to the continue, and here I will check this out. I'm a not a robot. Select this and click to the verify, and then click to the continue. Once I click over here, then I already get an Gmail. So let's go and let's copy this one, come back this platform again, and then provide my Gmail address, and it will take like checking your code. So it will take a couple of seconds, and then Slack will be connected with this, and here you can see it already been connected. So here let's increase. What is the name of your company team? I will give that we are digital, and then I will click to the next. Once I click over here next, it will take a couple of seconds, and then I will click on to the next again, and then here you can give a couple of things. You can skip the step, also skip a step, and then you just need to start it with the limited free version. Just click this one, and it already been done. So just click to the next, okay, next, and here it already been added. So I'll say hi and done. That's great. So now I will come over that place, and here Slack you should open automatically in a new browser. Let's click over that place, and here it will take a couple of seconds to fully load it. Now here actually you can see our Slack already been added. Just click to the done, and here you can see it already been done, added with our ClickUp. So this is the easiest way to add your Slack account with this platform. So I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.